A vector is a movement. It tells you how far and in what direction. That already makes it different from an ordinary number. A number like 5 only tells you size. A vector like 5 meters east tells you size and direction together. The simplest picture of a vector is an arrow. The length of the arrow is the magnitude. The way it points is the direction. The key idea is that the arrow can be slid anywhere without changing the vector. Only the length and direction matter, not the starting point. In 2 dimensions, we usually describe vectors with numbers. A vector written as angle bracket 3, 4 means move 3 units in the x direction and 4 units in the y direction. You can think of it as instructions. Go right 3, then up 4. That is the same vector no matter where you start. Points are different from vectors. A point is a location. A vector is a change between locations. If point A is at 2, 1 and point B is at 7, 6, the vector from A to B is B minus A. Subtract the coordinates. 7 minus 2 gives 5. 6 minus 1 gives 5. So the vector is 5, 5. That means go right 5 and up 5. Vector addition means combining movements. If one vector is 1, 4 and another is 2, 7, adding them means do the first move, then the second move. Algebraically, you add components. 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 plus 7 is 11. The result is 3, 11. Interpreted in words, the total movement is 3 right and 11 up. Vector subtraction asks a different question. It asks what movement takes you from one vector to another. Subtract components again. If u is 2, 6 and v is 5, 1, then u minus v is 2 minus 5, 6 minus 1, which is negative 3, 5. Negative just means the direction is reversed along that axis. Scalar multiplication stretches or shrinks a vector. If v is 2, 5, then 3 times v is 6, 15. The direction stays the same and the length triples. If you multiply by a negative number, the vector also flips direction. Negative 2 times 2, 5 gives negative 4, negative 10. The magnitude of a vector is its length. For a vector xy, the length comes from the Pythagorean theorem. The magnitude is the square root of x squared plus y squared. For 3, 4, that gives the square root of 9 plus 16, which is 5. A unit vector keeps direction but has length 1. You get it by dividing the vector by its magnitude. For 3, 4, divide by 5 to get 3/5, 4/5. This matters because it separates direction from size. The most important takeaway is this. Vectors follow simple rules because they represent movement. Add movements to combine them. Subtract to compare them. Multiply to scale them. Length comes from geometry. If you keep thinking in terms of movement, the math stays clear.